Hi everyone, I hope you try this old bread recipe with cheese and thyme. What we need for this recipe is 5 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of yeast, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Add 2/3 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Cut fresh thyme I have in my garden, but you can use any kind of thyme. Mix well and add 2 cups of lukewarm water and knead the dough very well. Cover and leave to rest for at least 3 hours, but preferable 6 hours. Then cut the dough in half till you reach the size you prefer. Cover again for 1 hour, then press each dough and fill with shredded Halloumi cheese or any cheese you prefer. Close the triangle well and put it upside down. Brush the bread with extra virgin olive oil and bake in a 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 250 degrees Celsius oven for 25 minutes or till browned. Then brush again with olive oil and try to eat it warm beside any dish or any soup, and enjoy this old recipe of cheese and thyme triangles. This is a very delicious bread recipe, and see you next week with another recipe.